Dude, that is so cool. Dude. Whoa. Dude, that is it. It smells too, but that's awesome. It smells horrible. I hate the smell of it. It's gonna do another one of those. This was like 30 seconds long. Dude, look at the smoke coming off the dress. Matt, look. Remember when Marquise threw the stick bomb in the house? You remember that, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. I think I should back up a little.
Nah, I think I like it like this.
Nah, I do too. I like the loud noise. Lego. That's a little too bright. Dude, that is sweet. I have to flip it sideways. Nah, cause it's like big.
No, wait, no, he only did that to see our faces, like, cause it's like that's why it hang to us like that. That's why.
So we see their faces too. Yeah, Matt, we should go right here. Right here. It's good right here. Oh, you're reading. Oh, wait, it's already activated? Get ready, Matthew. I need that solar charger.
My phone dies easily though. That's the thing I hate about
I put it on airplane mode. It saves a lot of battery. Well, that's what my friend says.
My phone messed up today.
How?
Yo, it kept making lines on my phone. I was like, oh snap, oh my god.
Dude, the thing
is gonna do it again. Yo, I thought I was scratching it a lot, cause like how did I kept
You need the screen protector. Here we go. Where'd it go? That was crappy. Never mind. That's pretty sweet. That is loud as crap.
I want to hug it.
Here we go again. Matt, look. Got on the tree. The thing. Right there.
I know, see. It really can't do nothing.
I know, but it can burn the tree.
But still, it's not going to really do anything because it goes away.
I know, I got you.
Too much air. Wait, what do you guys cooking? What do you guys cooking?
I just cooked the tuna salad and some stuffed eggs.
Oh, this place smoking.
Her brother's home. Tonight, give me everything tonight.
Yo, you want to go over there?
Over where?
Like right next to it.
Why would you be an idiot?
See who
you can catch on fire.
Let me see who it is.
It's people right there.
It's that black.
Dude, how many do they have?
There's a place where you can buy them.
I know there's like a fireworks shop.
If you go by the beach, they do on a boat.
Oh yeah, I know that. There's like some people doing it on boats.
They have it on the deck though. They have it on the deck.
What could do about that? For all we know, we may not get tomorrow. Let's do it now.
You can see it a little bit.
Yeah, but you can hear it. Let's do what you know. Thing tonight. Wait. You're binding it again? Why are you binding it?
I'm not keeping videos. I'm just buying it so it could be up there longer.
You should keep them.
No, it's on Vine for longer. If Vine is gone, then I still have it. And say, like, my phone, if I lose my phone or something, I have it on Vine.
Yeah, but it saves your email, some of it. Some of the stuff you want to...
Plus, I could take it off of Vine and put it onto my thing.
Instagram.
They got Instagram videos.
I know, they make videos now.
Because they made Vine. Everything tonight.
For all we know. I'm gonna send this to Kiana. Dude, the thing is so big in the air. I'd like to jump onto it. You can hug it. I'm gonna jump onto it. I think they're having a problem. Their match went out. Their match is not working. Yeah, their match is not working. Lighter.
Don't even stop looking.
I didn't even see it anyway. It was too small for me. Yeah, the lighter went out.